What's up, pretty birdies? Let me introduce you to your lash's best friends. Our Down Below Primer is an intense jet black pigmented formula that will dramatically increase volume and lengthening effects of whichever mascara you use. The Feathers Mascara will give you the deepest, darkest, most dramatic lashes, featuring a curved brush that lifts, curls, and provides length and buildable volume. Just one coat delivers long-wearing, smudge-proof wear that is enriched to moisturize and thicken each lash. The Faux Reals Extreme Volume Mascara will instantly increase fullness and deliver long, luscious lashes from root to tip with just one swipe, delivering a flake-free and smudge-proof finish. The creamy texture allows it to glide on smoothly and create an intense black false lash effect that is so dramatic and long-lasting you'll forget they're all yours.